done it. It's your turn. It is the people waiting. John, Sammy. John and Sammy. Jess. Rjs Dragons. The video. Sammy over there, even though he's kind of there. Liam. Yeah. Hi guys. How we doing?
Hi, Chalky.
We're good. Where is Sean? Why can't I see Sean?
Sat in his car,
Can you come over a bit, Sean? Top man. Where's Tony? There's Tracy. Hi Tracy, how are you? You're looking good. Looking good. Okay guys, Simply Ford. Want to thank those for turning up. To the people that was unable to make it. Yeah, there's always a next event. Just wanted to say to Bob, hurry up and get well soon, buddy. We're missing you. Onwards and upwards, we have got 6 trophies to give out. Today's club stand is sponsored by
EBC Brakes.
Bit louder.
EBC Brakes.
That's it. It's not school assembly and you got the question wrong. Might have got it right. So we're going to start off with. We're going to start off with our Club Star Award, which is we have a runner-up and a first place on that. These are cars that can't be staff cars, and these are cars that we, the staff, have picked out. And yeah, we picked out a couple of winners. So in second place, congratulations to Joanne. Do you want to come and get your trophy? We can just ask you to get your trophy, turn around so we can get a picture on the camera.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, Joanne. Thank you. Nice one. Thank you very much. So the winner of the Club Star Staff Award goes to Tony in the Mondeo. Well done, buddy.
Cheers, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. I put it there. If you can just turn around and present your trophy there, that would be absolutely brilliant. Just to let all the guys know, for those that have won the trophies today, the media in the orange jackets will be round to get some pictures of you all together and some pictures of you with your trophies so we can get it uploaded. So Spirit Award next. This goes to someone that we believe has worked very hard for the club, putting so much information and helping move the club forward in the right direction. And who are we giving this trophy to?
We are giving it to Tracy.
Tracy, congratulations, well done. There you go, thank you. If you want to smile at John and Sammy and Liam.
Stay there. Thank you.
Cheers, Tracy, thank you very much. So next we've got those trophies that were given out then. They're actually paid for by myself and the club. These 3 trophies here, they were sponsored and paid for by EBC Brakes. So we just wanted to say a massive thank you to them, and they are really very heavy. Pardon? I know they're heavy. Terrible, isn't it? Anyway, third place. Who have we got in third place? Can you remember? Fire away.
So third place is well deserved, and it goes to Sean.
Well done, Sean. Cheers, buddy. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically we asked everyone to pick cars out. Yeah. It was worked out on a pointing system. 10 points for a first, 5 points for a second, and 3 points for a third. So, second place. Who got to second place?
Well, second place isn't going to the person because he will give it away, as usual.
Really?
Chalky actually runs second, but
Okay.
as everyone knows, Chalky likes to give his trophies away.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
who are
unfortunately.
you choosing?
Yes, unfortunately, I'm not choosing anyone because it's my first time at Simply, and I'm going to do something I don't normally do, and I'm going to take my trophy home. So I'm now going to go to the front and take a picture for John and Sammy. So thank you very much indeed. To be absolutely honest, I didn't expect the amount of people that chose my car. I just want to say thank you to those people that did. There weren't much in it between myself and Sean, to be honest. It was only a couple of points. But the difference between, I think Sean got to 26 points, I got 30. The winner got 48 points. And it is so much about time that this gentleman actually won a trophy. Getting goosebumps thinking about it. So, should we take it together?
Yeah.
Ray, do you want to come and get your trophy?
Oh.
Very heavy, so hold
Yes,
it very
it is very
tightly. Yeah, to turn round and get some pictures for Sammy and John and Liam and Bob and his mum at home.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Cheers, guys. Those that have had the plaques today, we still have 2 plaques and that left. I know quite a few of you are coming to Ford Fair with us as well. We have heard there's been a bit of an issue today. The deadline shouldn't have been till tomorrow at noon. And what's coming out at the moment is they've just sold out of all the tickets. So we're going to call them tomorrow and find out what's gone on. If there's anything that anybody wants today, you do quite obviously save on your postage. You will have all got a piece of paper, the main driver of the car. If you've not got it, come and see us. We'll give you another one. It's just if you could leave us a review on the club website about today, be it good or bad. So if it's bad, then we can work on rectifying what was wrong. And hopefully it was good and you can leave us a good review. But just wanted to say a thank you to everyone. We've seen a few faces I haven't seen before. Quite obviously to Dan and Sean. Matt, even though we've known each other for quite some time, it's always brilliant to actually seeing people in person, and Joanne and Tony, and Tracy's first event as staff as well. So yeah, on that note, anything from you?
Oh, all good.
All good. Guys, thank you again for everybody to come. Cheers, thank you very much.